Hey guys, in case you missed our unboxing of Lattice Hawaii, I am sharing a replay of the video, so don't forget to thumbs up, like this video, and let me know what you think over on Instagram. So without further ado, let's check out the unboxing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Benos Esther Malka's live stream. We are going to do an unboxing. This game is Lattice Hawaii, and I am super excited to play it. It is kind of like a lesser known game in terms of I haven't seen it so much in other people's channels, so I figured, you know what, it looked good and this looks like a game we would like. So while we wait for everyone to come on, I always like to start with a quick review of last week's game. So let's put Lattice Hawaii aside just for 1 minute. And last week I did an unboxing of Carcassonne. I got this game because everybody raved about it, and I'm just going to put it out there. I think my family is just never caught on to the domino tile placement type of games. I mean, we like tile placement games. We love Azul, but Carcassonne, what we noticed was the adults weren't really such a big fan, but the teenagers and kids loved it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you disagree. So that's kind of, I don't know, our opinion. So yeah, I know I stand alone on Carcassonne because everybody that I know loves this game, but my family, I guess we're not into these mechanics, but it was still fun to try, and I will be playing it again with the teenagers, so it wasn't all that bad. But for today's unboxing, I'm very excited. It's Lattice Hawaii. The first thing I noticed, it's kind of in a brown box with tape on the outside. So if I'm going to give it as a gift, I'll be honest, I'm not so sure how gift friendly this is, but I'm hoping once we get past the brown box, which we're going to do right now, that'll be more exciting on the inside. So got my handy dandy scissors, and let's check it out. By the way, does anybody here actually have Lattice Hawaii? Okay, so yes. Phew, it does come in a nice box. I got really nervous. Very happy to see that. Okay, we do have a nice box. It is relatively smaller than the average squares, so I like that. I like smaller games, and it's kind of weighty. I mean, I know you can't see from here, but whew, it's got some weight to it. So I'm really excited what's inside here because, yeah, it's kind of heavy game. And that's always a good sign because I never know how many kids are joining us for games. It's quite well wrapped. So Lattice Hawaii, you did a great job on your shipping. So I really, really like that. Okay, so you have the plastic, and how do we open this box? Is it a slide out? Wait, okay. I don't know. Oh, this way. Here we go. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. It's like a magnetic clasp. I don't think I've ever had a game like this before, with like a magnetic clasp, or I don't know. That's kind of cool. And as you can see here, the box is gorgeous. For what it's worth, huge fan of the box. Just a little backstory. We like kind of like tile placement, tile movement type of games. So when I saw this game, it looked like something we would like. So let's see. So you open the box, and we have the instructions. Okay, so they look kind of simple. It's not like a huge booklet. It's kind of doable. I like that. I like how they include diagrams in the instructions. Sometimes like they'll say something and I'd really want to follow, and it's like, oh, too complicated. Ooh, then it has a board. Cool. Look at this board. All right. It kind of reminds me of a Scrabble board, which is another bonus because we like Scrabble. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Ooh, in the box, well, there are tiles I'm going to show you soon. But look at this. They have these little racks, and I'll show you the tiles. I want to take a stop here for a second. Look how beautiful this box is. If you're a gamer, you know how important boxes are, and look how beautiful everything kind of stays in here. So I am super, super excited. Lattice Hawaii did a fantastic job in their insert. Here are the tiles. Let's let's take a look at these tiles. Oh my goodness, how do we open them? I don't know. All right, so these are plastic tiles. They look like they have stickers on them with the pieces, and there are all sorts of pieces on it. So look at these cool pieces. They're different colors. We got turtles. I'm assuming this is some sort of wind, motion, or movement. And let's just do a few more. The pieces are really pretty and attractive, and like I said, look how nicely they sit in the racks. So just aesthetically, I am a huge fan of this game. Just really beautiful aesthetics, and it looks really nice. So far, so good. We also have these gems. This is just, I noticed like a lot of games are putting gems in it. It's not something that we have to have in a game, but it's something that just makes the game more fun to play. So totally like the addition of the gems. Check these out. They come in blue and yellow. And I'm going to give you guys a close-up. Look at this. As you can see here, there is a really, really beautiful, there we go. There's like a tray here, and everything fits so nicely. Look at this. I'm super impressed. We're just taking everything apart, putting it right back in the tray. You have your section for the tiles. You have the section for the game boards. Look how easy cleanup is, and this nice timer with yellow sand. So super simple, super fun. Let me know if any of you have played Lattice Hawaii, because so far this looks like a lot of fun. It looks like one of those like matching color type of games, and these were fun for us. So I'd like to hear how you played it or any tips and tricks. A little announcement. We have a holiday coming up, so the next 2 Sundays we will not be doing a live stream. However, in 3 weeks, which I'm going to keep you all posted on Twitter, so if you want to follow me at Twitter, head over to Benosa Estramalka. We will be reviewing Trash Pandas, another game that I have seen so many game schoolers have. So just as a side note, the Amazon has secondhand products. These are, look, as you can see, fully closed products. More about that next week. Super discount. So if you want to grow your game collection, follow us in 3 weeks for Trash Pandas. But I am just really blown away by the box, the quality of the pieces, and the beauty of Lattice Hawaii. So if you guys agree with me, well then let me know what you think. And if you have Lattice Hawaii, like I said, this is not a game that I have seen often. I actually purchased this because we love Quirkle and we love Uno, and this looks like that type of game kind of put together. I'll let you know more in 3 weeks. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing of Lattice Hawaii. If you have any questions or comments, like I said, head over to Instagram. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below, because I have left all the links for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing last week's video review of Carcassonne, left that game below. If you're interested in this week's game of Lattice Hawaii, left that link below. And of course, if you're interested in next week's game, Trash Pandas, left that link below as well. Can't wait to see you guys again in 3 weeks. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Bye.